Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rosa Garcia. I'm Business Development Manager for Amphenol Audio Europe. And I want to introduce you a bit about the company of Amphenol and the product range that we do. And Amphenol is very well known in the industry for connectors of very military specs, aerospecs, everything from a plane, a car, a truck. We are very well known in the industry. We've got a division in audio, and as you can see the logo, entertainment at Amphenol. And the engineering is done in Australia. We've got manufacturing facilities in many parts of the world. We've got a distribution center in Czech Republic. I'm based in Germany, and I look after Europe. And one of my jobs is to talk to OEMs to introduce our connectors and also develop a network of resellers. Our product range, we've got AX range is XLRs, 3 pins, 5 pins, speaker connectors, power connectors. We've got Dante converter connectors. We've got RJ45, and we've got different types of IP rating from standard IP40 to IP65. If you want to know more about our product range, please visit our website, amphenolaudio.com. And we will be pleased to help you and to direct you to the right partner. Thank you very much.